Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to check transaction history on your Google Pay account. So without further ado, we are going to go right into it. First thing that we need to do is go to Google and write pay.google.com. When we open this page, we are going to wait a couple of seconds. When we are on this page, we need to select the user that is using this account. When we selected the user, as you can see, I can see all of my later transactions and it goes even years in the past. So yeah, it is an awesome thing to have and it is very simple to find out. So if you liked this video, I wish you all the best. Until next one, bye.